This is our 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Completely stock, except with our mud flaps on it, which of course add horsepower, torque, and improve suspension. Today we're going to put on some wheel spacers to just improve the stance of the truck a little bit. I actually like the wheels pretty good on this thing. I think they look pretty sweet. Not in love with the tires, so we'll bump up the tire size as well, but we're going to do 30 mil spacers and 35 mil spacers just to see if we can improve the stance here just a little bit. All right, got the 30 millimeter spacers on there right now. We'll go outdoors here in a little bit so you can see both sides. So this side is stock, no spacers, okay? And then this side has the 30 mils on it. And that, I think that's looking pretty sick, honestly. For keeping stuff stock and way less expensive than buying a whole new set of wheels. And again, these wheels, Toyota did a good job. Just don't love the fitment on them, the stance on them. But if you can get them to poke out just a little bit more, yeah, I think that looks pretty sick. So we're gonna pull these ones off real quick and put on the 35 mils. All right, so here is what 35 millimeter wheel spacers look like with the stock wheels and tires. I think that is just about right. Yeah, it's got a nice stance, pokes out a little bit, not too much. If you're gonna leave your truck mostly stock and just want a little bit better stance, I think this is a good way to go.